Although these animal moments are very scary and dangerous, but after watching all the clips, I believe bears are the smartest and most dangerous of all. They know how to open car doors, search for food, and even lift garage gates.
没东西给它吃。快！快点，走！
Please call the police.
The kids are not going to come out.
Go inside. They're not going to do anything right now.
I'm scared. Tell Taylor to come out here and shoot us. Look! Holy! Oh my God!
Look!
Oh God!
Bears can also find their way into houses. In this clip, a bear nearly attacked a woman. Bears can strike anyone in their path while searching for food. This man bravely saved his dogs from a bear attack. These photographers were almost attacked as well. And here, a woman managed to protect her dogs from a charging bear. Bears often attack when they sense weakness, making them truly terrifying. Elephants are known for their high temper. In this clip, a buffalo bursts a car tire.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
This cheetah is desperately trying to find a way into the car.
Get down, Mark. Get down. Close the windows. Close the windows. Close the top.
No, they won't do it, I think.
And these rhinos are chasing a vehicle like marathon runners.
Together.
It's hard to tell whether these hippos are fighting or just having fun.
We better get out of here.
He took the sack.
Oh, he's getting all the food now.
What? Bon, je prends grave. Ouh, la recule va pas. You just made me jump. It's that cheeky one. Oh, what's it? Oh! I can't do anything about it. Paul, I can't do anything about it.
A clash between a rhino and a giraffe looks funny until someone breaks a bone.
Non, il n'y a pas de... Oh. Oh my God, il n'y a pas quelqu'un. Ok, mais il n'y a personne qui va les dire d'arrêter.
In the forest, this man was suddenly attacked by a deer. Have you ever seen a giraffe fight?
He needs some food. He's hungry.
Little buffalo. And I burned my hand.
Who's said about the buffalo again, Patrick?
And I burned my hand.
Who's said about the buffalo again, Patrick?
The English band covered, didn't they? That's where it comes from.
Or wondered why deer always show up inside shops like that? This is why you should never stand too close to elephants.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh.
Here's a rare sight, a pregnant shark. This boy went too close to an ape, and it quickly turned dangerous. Fortunately, the ape let go, and no one was harmed.
Oh, man.
Merda. Não, não, stay. Stay firm, stay firm.
Go away! No!
These kangaroos started attacking when a skydiver landed in their territory.
What's up, Skip? Hey, back off! Back off! Go away!
Whoa. I've never seen him do that before.
And here, a sea lion rested on a man's car before being guided back to the water. But not without leaving a dent behind.
Y sacando fotos al auto.
Subscribe for more amazing content just like this.